Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now on today's menu, I'll be making up some delicious lemon pepper wings. So guys, let's get started. So here I have some chicken wings that I already washed with lemon juice and vinegar, and I'm just going to use a piece of paper towel to pat dry any of the excess water so that when I add the olive oil, it doesn't get loose and the seasoning doesn't get to stick well to the wings. So I'm just gonna pat that dry. So I'm gonna go with some olive oil, and I'm gonna go in with my lemon pepper seasoning. Now guys, this lemon pepper seasoning has salt, and that's all I'll be using. And I'll be going in with some cornstarch. Of course, if you don't have cornstarch, you could go ahead and use some flour, but use the flour lightly. So I'm just gonna massage this and allow this to sit for about 20 minutes. Now in the meantime, I'm going to work on my sauce. So I'm going to go in with some lemon pepper, some honey, and I'm going to go in with some hot sauce. Now guys, you could jazz this up however you like. You could add how much or how little you like. And I'm going to go in with some chicken broth, but if you don't have chicken broth, you could just use water. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon or so of cornstarch just to thicken this up, because this the cornstarch is going to act as a slurry to thicken the sauce, so we get a nice glossy and shiny but yet super tasty sauce. And I'm just going to give this a good mix and set this aside. Now here in my cast iron, I have some vegetable oil heating up, and I'm going to go ahead and fry off my wings. Now I'm going to fry these wings until they are golden brown. So I'm going to fry these for about 8 to 10 minutes total, because I won't be putting these in the oven. So I want to make sure that they are cooked thoroughly. I want to make sure that they are cooked straight through. So you can judge your time on how thick or how thin your wing is, or until you reach the desired doneness that you are looking for. Now halfway through that time, I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip and allow them to cook completely through. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove these and continue on with the rest of the wing using the same steps. Now if you notice, I fry the flats in one batch and the drumettes in one batch, because the drumettes are a little bit thicker and they take a longer time to cook. So we don't really want to overcook the flats, so we cook them in 2 separate batches. But it's totally up to you. You could go ahead and mix and match if you like. And you want to keep flipping until it's fully cooked. Now that these are done, I'm just going to go ahead and remove them from the oil and the cornstarch. Allow these to be nice and crispy. Now to the sauce. So in a saucepan, I'm just going to go in with a couple tablespoons of butter. Now guys, you could double this batch if you like, and you could make more, but this amount is just for this. So now that my butter is nice and melted, I'm just going to go in with my sauce and give this a stir until it's nice and thick. And that's just about it, guys. The sauce is that easy to make, and trust me, this sauce is banging. Listen, this sauce is so tasty. Now that our sauce is nice and thick, we're going to remove from the heat and coat our wings into this deliciousness. Now guys, that little honey had a little bit of sweetness but not too much, and that little bit of hot sauce had a hint of heat. Trust me, the perfect balance. I'm just going to go ahead and just toss my wings in the sauce, but of course you could just add this to a big bowl and give it a toss. Now I'm just going to use the remainder of my sauce for serving, so I'm just going to go ahead and do so. So guys, this is what my wings been looking like after serving. Let me tell you, this was awesome. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscription button, turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me tell you guys, these wings were absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and let me know down in the comment section how yours turned out. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.